CNC Machining Parts.
Hello everyone, this is Paul from Top Talent Group TTM, and we are a professional automobile stamping tools supplier, and we also have the three main products such as the first one is welding fixture, welding station and lines. The second is tracking fixture. The third is the CNC machining the components, the manufacturing the components. Today, I would like to focus on introduce on the CNC machining components. To meet the diverse need of the different customers, we are not only have the complete design and the manufacturing of the whole tracking fixture and welding fixtures, but also we can process the manufacturing the component of the jips and fixtures according to the required rate of the customers. The customer can assembly self when received. In this way, the customer can save the more and more the cost on the machining, and each of the component we can arrange print and heat treatment according to the customer's request. All the component will testing on the CMM and make sure that all the part is correct before the delivery. We are the professional. Thank you for your time, and we are looking forward to your inquiry.